Good morning everyone, welcome back to Oliver's Cars and Reviews, where you join me here at the Conrodders Cruise the Nard Cars and Coffee car meet. So this is going to be pretty good. I already see Whale Bay Coffee, thanks for them for showing up. It wouldn't be Cars and Coffee without Whale Bay Coffee, so if you ever see them, go buy their coffees because they're very delicious coffees, I must say that right now. There's a few cars here. I see Vin parked right next to me. Thank you so much, Vin. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, come hang out. We do fun car things here on Oliver's Cars and Reviews. Make sure to share this video with anybody that you know, because the more that you share, the more that you support the channel, basically. Hey, but anyways, let's get to those cars, shall we? This is going to be pretty good car meet. Look at that, look at this motor, very nice. Got XT GT over here, this looks cool. Have a look at this thing. Now this looks hot. It's Ron and Wendy, their XC. Look at that. That's a gorgeous car. XC Fairmont, love that car. Very nice. G'day, mate. Nice wheelies, I like that. Here's Vin's Kingswood. Thanks for Vin for coming along today. Appreciate it, mate. Here's my baby. Here we've got Ron and Wendy's XC Falcon here. Thanks for Ron and Wendy for showing up today. Appreciate it. And here we got Sonny here with his XH Falcon here. Very nice in FPV purple. This is a very nice car. I like what you've done here, Sonny. Thanks for coming along today. We got Stu and his beautiful XY Fairmont. Thanks for Stu for coming along today. Appreciate it, mate. Very nice car. I love it. We got XB GT over here. I like this. Nice XB, mate.
Yes, mate, thank you.
I absolutely love it. Look at that for an XB. That looks hot. See you, mate. Beautiful R31 Skyline with a big bloody LS1 up front. This thing will get up and dance. Right, John.
Hey Oliver, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Oh yeah. What's that?
Beetle.
440 big block. No. I'm just visiting Rob. He lives here. Coming from the Gold Coast.
Here we got John's SV99, very nice. Thanks for John for coming today, appreciate you, mate. FX Holden, last of the FXs, 1954 model. And we also got a C10 pickup, I love this. Very nice. Love trucks, I absolutely love trucks. I do. Oh, we got the big long fuzzy dice in there, if you can see that. The big long fuzzy dice.
It's a 1969 model.
That will bring up the value by 1,000 million bajillion %. Got this beautiful 32 Ford hot rod here, and then we also got this thing as well. It's a 34 mock-up Ford hot rod here. I remember seeing this thing at Rocky Nats. This is an amazing car, this is. Jesus, I absolutely love this car, very much so. Whoever brought this along, thank you for coming. I absolutely love your car. It's a beautiful car. And thanks for everyone for showing up to the Conrodders Cruise the Nard meet. This has been bloody good so far. Lots of public. Here we got a beautiful 56 Ford Thunderbird here. Now this is a pretty cool car. I love this. And here's the 7,200 view Chev Ute here. Hey, everyone that knows that little short that I posted, this car got 7,200 views on my video. Probably more now actually. So thank you viewers for making this car short really popular. So thank you so much. And I love this car very much. We've got 28 Ford here. I love this thing. I saw it roll in before. This is a really nice car. I absolutely love it. And what's the motor? I see. Looks like a Y block. Yeah, that's a Y block. That is. It's all ceramic coated and painted. That is very nice. Love the Y block motors. Very underrated Ford motor. That's for sure. We got Ford Fairlane here. Very nice. Fairlane 500. This is pretty cool. 63 model. This is. I like this model of Fairlane. Very nice and curvy. What I like in a car. See ya! Here we got a nice 32 Ford. G'day mate. Beautiful car. Look at the wheels, talk to us twos. Here we got here, tucked away, we got a Pontiac Trans Am over here. This is pretty cool. Whoever brought this along is very nice. I enjoy this. Very cool car. G'day. Very nice car. I love it. Beautiful car. This is very nice. There you go, look at this beast. Beautiful Mach 1 Mustang here, owned by Jim. Beautiful car this is. Thanks for Jim for coming along today, appreciate it. This thing out. Look at this, little Nissan. Little Nissan Exa. That's cool, I like that. Got a little XR4 Fiesta over here. G'day mate.
There you go, mate.
Good, thanks. Another, was it Mark II Fiesta or something? Very nice. A laser, Ford Laser, I like that. Nice old Ford Laser here.
Hi, mate.
G'day. See you mate.
Thank you. Good. I think it's empty.
See you, Stu.
Hey, Oliver. Have a good day, sir.
You too, mate. Here we got a VZ ute over here, looking very nice. I love the blue colour as well, and we also got a Commodore wagon over here. I like this. I think it's very nice, very nice. This is the V8 model, I think. Calais V, yeah, this is the V8 model. So L98, L77 or LS2, whatever it is. Very nice indeed. I absolutely love this car. This is not a bad car indeed. See you, mate. Look at that, that looks nice. Shouts out to the Wow Bay Coffee for coming today. It wouldn't be Cars and Coffee without the Wow Bay Coffee.
Thank you, darling.
No worries. And thanks for the Conrodders for putting this meat on. This is a great meat. And so everyone, this concludes the Conrodders Cruise the Nard Car Meet, Cars and Coffee. This was pretty good, I enjoyed it. And there was a lot more public than usual. I noticed that right away, I did. But this was really good meat. I enjoyed it very much so. Hey, if you want to come down here, it happens every last Saturday of every month. Starts at 10 o'clock, finishes at 12. It does. So yeah. Go give the Conrodders a follow, link down in the description below if you want to come to this meet. But anyways, make sure to like, comment and subscribe and click that notification bell down as well. And follow all of my socials, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Links will be down in the description below. But anyways, this is Oliver's Cars and Reviews and we'll see you all in that next video. Cheers everybody.